channel Techy Boyz. So guys, today we have brought you again with an unboxing video in which we are going to talk about Leaf Bass wireless headphones, and it's very good headphones guys. So today I'm going to explain the features of it. I'm going to do an unbox video. Bluetooth, like you can connect it with the Bluetooth, and there's another feature which is very good feature. So I'm going to tell you that in the end of the video. So watch the video till the end only, then you can understand it. So yeah guys, without any further ado, let's hop in. Guys, this is the box. Let's start unboxing it. So we have started unboxing it, and inside you can see the headset. It comes with some plastic cover, so you can see that it's a very good headset. It looks very good. And after that we have a cover in which like we have some wire and all the other books, manuals, and after that, like you can see the wire, and there you can see that aux cable. This is the aux cable, and after that this is the USB cable, so with which you are going to charge it. So for the port, you have to just have a port, like you can just connect it to the mobile charger port, and after that you can see the warranty card and everything. Like this is the warranty card with which you can claim the warranty, and after that this is the menu book. So you can just go through the menu book if you want to know the instructions. And yeah, this is all about the manuals. Now let us see the headset. So this is the headset. We'll just unbox it, and you can see the headset. This is the leaf symbol, and after that we have the power button, and we have also other volume buttons and all those, like you can see that. And yeah guys, this is unboxing video. Let you know about the prices of this headphone in their website and Amazon. So yeah, in Amazon it is for 999 rupees, and in Flipkart it's not there. And when it comes to leafstudios.in website, it's actually 1299. This is relatively high when compared to Amazon, so I would prefer you to buy it in Amazon. So yeah guys, this was the price. As you saw that unboxing video in which I showed you what are all coming with the headset, so you can see that there is a warranty card coming with it, and after that you can also see that there is a menu book coming with it, and after that you have two cables. So this is a special feature that I am going to tell. So the first is the USB cable for charging, and another is aux cable. So yeah guys, now of course nowadays in many headsets they are two coming in wireless headsets, like the aux cable. So if you want to use that headphones urgently and you don't have charge in it, then you can use the aux cable and use it. So this is a very good feature of course, and nowadays they are coming in many other headphones too. So this is the feature that I wanted to tell, and we are also I will also make a video on how to claim the warranty guys. But when it comes to warranty, you want to do nothing, but you have to just fill a form. You have to go to the website and fill the form. So you would have seen that paper, right? In that card they showed a website link, so you have to just use that website link and do it. So yeah guys, this is the warranty, about the warranty book. And when it comes to the menu card, you can see those instructions. You don't really want it, right, when it comes to using the headset. So yeah guys, these are the features that are in the headset. And the battery life of this headphones is actually 10 hours, and it's truly 10 hours guys. For 2 days I've been using it for every 2 hours, and the charge is still 70%. So this is a very good feature, because in many headphones they just tell it for some fun or something. It is not real. They don't have that much good battery life, those headphones, but this truly has a very good battery life. So that's why I would prefer you to buy this, because it has a very good battery life and you can use it anywhere you want. So yeah guys, first let me show you how the mic quality is. This is the sound quality of this headphone, and you can see how clean it is and how clear it is. So this is worth it, and we will have a very good mic quality when we buy this. So this is very worth for speaking with friends or any other colleagues or something in your office. Yeah, it is basically for everything. You can use it for office use, you can use it for school use, for anything. It's good. So yeah, if you like the video, then like it and share to people who are in need, and yeah, subscribe to our channel for more other videos like this. So guys, meet you in the next video. Till then, bye. Peace.